What can I do if another driver ran a red light and caused my car accident? Start by protecting the evidence and your claims right away. Gather the crash report, photos of the scene and vehicle damage, witness names, any video, and your medical records. Keep track of missed work, bills, repair estimates, and any total loss paperwork. To recover, you generally need to show the other driver failed to obey the traffic signal, that this caused the crash, and that it caused your injuries and losses. Be careful about what you say to insurers, because the other side may argue you were partly at fault by speeding, being distracted, or not keeping a proper lookout. In some cases, that can block recovery entirely. Also remember that settling the vehicle damage claim does not automatically settle the injury claim unless a written agreement clearly says so. The best next step is to organize everything quickly and have it reviewed as soon as possible, because video and witness evidence can disappear fast.